Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some scented sachets to make your drawers smell fresh. For the materials, you'll need fabric, stitch witchery tape, an essential oil, jute twine, rice, and an iron. First, cut out a piece of fabric. It's easier to use the fold as a side so you have one less edge to fuse together. Then fold the fabric inside out. Cut 2 strips of stitch witchery and put them on the edges of the right side of the fabric. Then put the iron on the fabric and fuse the pieces together. Let it cool. After cooled, turn the pouch right side out. Set it aside and put as many drops of the essential oil in the rice as you want. Mix it together. Then scoop the rice into the pouch. After that, tie the open end together with a piece of jute twine. And that's it! They're so easy to make, and you can use whatever pattern of fabric you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.